Alright, what's going on everybody? For today's video I'm going to do a little unboxing of my newly acquired Sygav stereo system for the Lancer 2008 and above models. So this is for the Lancers, Ralliarts, and Evos. This one in particular is the 10.1 version, so the latest and greatest. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get this unboxed, and then following that will be an installation video. So if that sounds like something you guys are interested in, stay tuned. So first things first, here is the outside of the box. Shipping took relatively about a month, and that's during like the Christmas holiday season. So let's go ahead and get this started. Show you guys. Little flaps. Nice little foam. Here is our unit itself, packed really nicely. Alright, so within the box you have some harnesses, which is a given. Another pair of harnesses, looks like the power harness adapters, and your user manual. Hopefully there's some instructions in there. I know there's a couple of videos on YouTube floating around. And then here is the unit itself packaged up. Let me go ahead and unwrap this for you. See what it looks like. Alright, and here is that. As expected, it doesn't have the vents, so I'll have to swap that over from the OEM that's on the vehicle right now. But everything looks pretty good. Screen doesn't look cracked or scratched. Of course, it's got the protective film on there still. And here on the back side, you can kind of see how slim this is. Not very heavy at all, so hopefully it should be a straightforward install. But here are all of your connections. So it looks like your built-in Wi-Fi area here, your GPS antenna. It's gonna be pretty straightforward for the most part, hopefully. So yeah, there's a little unboxing of this. And like I said, I will be making an install video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that one as well. And yeah, so this was a little nice Christmas present for myself for the car, and hopefully it works pretty well. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace. By the way, at the beginning of the video I said 10.2 or 10.1 software. It's actually the 10.2 screen, so 10.2 inches screen, and it's actually the Android 9.0. And that's the one I'll have linked in the description box below. But to go ahead and kind of correct myself from the beginning of the video, here it is right here on my phone. It's the Android 9.0, not the 10.1 or 10.2, whatever I just said. And it works with the Rockford system because I have a 2015 Ralliart that has a Rockford sub in the back. And then if you guys continue looking, so yeah, there you go. It has some pictures for you, what it's going to be looking like. I'm pretty stoked about this thing. So it is compatible with your steering wheel controls, FM radio, all that stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked about this.